The idea behind Young Chef Olympiad is to get people together. We have something called as the United World of Young Chefs, and our primary host, apart from International Institute of Hotel Management, is the International Hospitality Council, and we are looking to globally unite the hospitality world, and nothing unites people better than food. The idea of having a competition of food of one representative per country fighting it off to get the golden chef cap, the golden talk as we call it, was truly unifying. In fact, my experience with these people with whom I have just come, we have come in with 10 countries, and all of these countries, the unity that I saw is fantastic. They come from different cultures, they come from different backgrounds, but it does not matter. They all wear the same chef coat, and they are here with the same idea that they want to win the Young Chef Olympiad.